The alluring Tornado Rex begonia, your guide to this captivating houseplant. As a passionate plant enthusiast, I'm often drawn to unique and visually striking foliage. The Tornado Rex begonia is one such plant that never fails to capture my attention. Its mesmerizing swirls of color and dramatic leaf shape make it a conversation starter in any room. But beyond its captivating looks, the Tornado Rex begonia offers a surprising amount of low-maintenance charm. In this guide, I'll answer all your burning questions about this captivating begonia, ensuring you can cultivate its beauty in your own home. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Tornado Rex begonia? The Tornado Rex begonia, also known as Harmony's tornado or simply tornado, is a captivating cultivar of the Rex begonia family, Begonia rex. Renowned for its mesmerizing foliage, this begonia boasts a mesmerizing display of colors. Imagine a base of silvery pink, accented by dramatic swirls and splotches of deep purple-black. The leaves themselves are characteristically textured, with a beautiful, undulating surface. This particular begonia is prized for its relatively easygoing nature. Unlike some Rex begonias, the Tornado Rex is known for being less temperamental, making it a great choice for both seasoned plant parents and curious beginners. How to care for your Tornado Rex begonia? Bringing a Tornado Rex begonia into your home is a rewarding experience, but proper care is essential to ensure it thrives. Here are some key things to remember. Light. While Rex begonias, in general, appreciate bright, indirect sunlight, the Tornado Rex flourishes under similar conditions. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the delicate leaves. Opt for east or north-facing windows for optimal light. Water. Finding the right watering balance is crucial. Overwatering is a common pitfall with Rex begonias, so allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely before watering again. Aim for consistent moisture, but not soggy soil. Humidity. Tropical origins mean Rex begonias prefer moderate to high humidity levels. Grouping your Tornado Rex with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more suitable environment. Temperature. Maintain a comfortable room temperature between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, for your Tornado Rex. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations in drafts. Soil. A well-draining, slightly acidic potting mix is ideal for Rex begonias. Opt for a mixture specifically formulated for African violets or aroids. Fertilizer. While not heavy feeders, a diluted dose of balanced houseplant fertilizer once or twice during the growing season, spring and summer, can provide a welcome boost. How big does a Tornado Rex begonia get? The Tornado Rex begonia typically grows to a manageable size, reaching heights of around 12 to 18 inches, 30 to 45 centimeters, with a similar spread. Is the Tornado Rex begonia rare? While not as readily available as some common houseplants, the Tornado Rex begonia isn't necessarily rare. Plant nurseries and online retailers specializing in unique foliage plants often carry this cultivar. Is the Tornado Rex begonia poisonous? Like many begonias, the Tornado Rex contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can be mildly toxic if ingested. It's best to keep this plant out of reach of pets and children. How do I propagate a Tornado Rex begonia? Propagation is possible through leaf cuttings. Take a healthy leaf with a bit of stem attached, plant it in a moist, well-draining medium, and maintain consistent moisture. With proper care, new growth should emerge in a few weeks. Tornado Rex begonia versus other Rex begonias. The world of Rex begonias offers a dazzling array of colors and patterns. Here's a quick comparison of the Tornado Rex with a couple of its popular cousins. Rex begonia escargot. This begonia features stunning, spiraling, burgundy red leaves with a metallic sheen. Compared to the Tornado Rex, the escargot offers a more subdued color palette but boasts a similar textured foliage. Rex begonia pink champagne. As the name suggests, this begonia boasts a captivating display of pink and green hues. While lacking the dramatic swirls of the Tornado Rex, the pink champagne offers a more delicate and elegant aesthetic. Ultimately, the choice between these Rex begonias comes down to personal preference. Consider the color scheme of your space and the overall aesthetic you're aiming for when making your selection. With its captivating foliage and surprisingly manageable care requirements, the Tornado Rex begonia is a captivating addition to any plant collection. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Tornado Rex begonia thrives for years to come, its mesmerizing swirls adding a touch of drama and elegance to your indoor space.